Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nachos Platter at Home Easy Guide. Start by layering crisp tortilla chips on a large tray, add refried beans, sprinkle shredded cheese, and bake until melted. Then top with pico de gallo, jalapenos, sour cream, and chopped cilantro for a vibrant platter ready to share. Use 400 degrees F oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Watch closely to avoid burning, and serve with guacamole, lime wedges, and pickled onions for contrast. Gather simple ingredients and prep ahead to speed assembly and reduce mess. Get tortilla chips, refried beans or black beans, shredded cheese, pico de gallo, jalapenos, sour cream, cilantro, and optional ground beef or chicken. Chop tomatoes and onions, squeeze limes, and preheat the oven to make assembly quick. Keep toppings ready in separate bowls so guests can customize their nachos for a fun, interactive meal. This prep makes serving stress-free and keeps flavors fresh. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Also, a quick shout for the product seen here: the Kindle Paperwhite makes recipe reading easy and portable, perfect for kitchen counters and grocery lists. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Layering strategically ensures every chip gets toppings and prevents soggy bites. Start with a base of chips, add thin layers of beans and cheese, then more chips and more cheese to create cheese bridges. Bake briefly until cheese melts, then add fresh toppings to preserve texture. Use a mix of cheeses for melt and flavor, and consider heating smaller batches for parties to keep nachos hot and tasty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.